Hi guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Today we are going to learn how to add a cover image to our blog post. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to blog, then go to posts. Look for the post that you want to work on and click on edit next to it. Here on the blog post editor, we're going to go to the left and click on SEO to open the SEO panel. Then let's go to social share. This is where you can edit your blog post's social share info, such as its image as well as its title. So we're going to click on Upload Image and select the image we'd like to use to serve as kind of like a thumbnail for our blog post when we share it onto different social media platforms. All right, so our image has been added. And if you'd like to edit the title of your post, you can edit that here. Same goes for the description. By the way, you can see a preview of it here. So once you share it on different social media platforms, this is how it's going to look like. So once you're done making all the changes you need to make, go ahead and click on publish so that the changes will be stored. Now, every time you share that specific post on social media, the image you selected, as well as the title and description you've set, will appear like it did in the preview. And that's it. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.